Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming system-level permissions because Apple Intelligence needs access to your library. Enable iCloud Photos and turn on Apple Intelligence in Settings Photos. Next, choose whether analysis runs on device or in iCloud for speed versus privacy. Once done, open the Photos app and pick an album or a single image to work with. You're ready to let the AI analyze scenes, identify subjects, and suggest edits, so start with a clear, representative photo for best results. Now you'll perform the core editing steps using Apple Intelligence tools inside Photos. Tap Edit on your chosen image, then try Magic Edit or Enhance to let the system propose fixes. Use the Subject Selection tool to isolate people or objects, apply AI crop for improved framing, and test replace background if needed. Make incremental adjustments with strength sliders so changes remain natural. After previewing before and after comparisons, you can accept edits or refine masks and retouches manually to maintain creative control. Finish by saving a duplicate so the original stays intact. That gives you a rollback if needed. Once saved, rerun Apple Intelligence suggestions after any big manual edits to keep colors and tones consistent. Export the final image at your desired resolution or share directly from Photos. If the AI misidentifies subjects or produces artifacts, try toggling Apple Intelligence off and on, restart the Photos app, or clear and re-upload the image to force reanalysis, then reapply edits to get a clean result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.